guys, आज हम बात करेंगे about one of the most important topics which is concerning students the most. We will talk about college admissions and college examinations for the current year. Now recently, University Grants Commission or UGC has issued a set of guidelines to universities on new session and examinations for 2020. We will discuss all of this in detail with you, but before that, let's quickly discuss the major concerns and how does it affect you. Ensuring the health, safety and security of the students, faculty and staff is the prime concern. Not only that, conducting the examinations and declaring the results on time would be another concern for UGC. However, they have charted out a plan for the next academic session, for this year's examination for the even semester, and also for the fresh batch admissions this year. Let's discuss about the academic calendar for 2020-21. But before that, we know class 12th examinations for many boards are not yet completed. And if they are delayed, naturally this would delay the admission processes in the universities as well. Now, in order to tackle that situation, UGC has marked out that UG and PG programs all over India will have to complete the admission processes for new batches by the end of August. So if you're a student of new batch, your session might start from 1st of September. However, if you're a student of existing batch, your session is likely to start from 1st of August. Okay, here we will discuss about the academic calendar issued by UGC in a little detail and how does it look different from the previous years. We have discussed the admission processes and the commencement of classes, but the conduct of examinations next time in the odd semester is also likely to get delayed. The commencement of classes for the next year's even semester might be happening around late January, and the examinations for the next year's even semester will be done around in the month of May and June. Now, a very interesting point to note here is that the summer vacations have been cut short from 2 months to 1 month, and this is usually that time period when students go out for live projects and internships. Okay, let's start discussing about the examination part. And I know at this point, many of us are hoping that UGC should either delay the exams or cancel them. But UGC is looking to complete the processes in a shorter period of time. So you are very likely to see MCQ or OMR based examinations. And if not that, they might conduct open book examinations, open choices, presentation based assessments, which we usually see in the internal exams. An efficient and innovative mode of examination that was discussed was reducing the exam time from 3 hours to 2 hours. Now, this would help universities to shorten the time and to quickly check the exam sheets and give out the results on time. After the circular was issued, many students raised concern that if the number of questions are not shortened or if the number of marks are not reduced, this will be a major source of concern for the students. The universities are also required to complete at least 25% of syllabus through online classes for this semester. And in case of last resorts, if they are not able to conduct any examination, grading of the students could be a composite of 50% of marks on the basis of internal evaluation of this semester, and 50% of marks can be awarded on the basis of previous semester's performance. However, if you have no records of previous semesters, or if you are a first year student, 100% of your marks will be based on pattern of internal evaluation this year. And if you are not happy with your marks, you can reappear for the examination whenever it happens again. Well, this was the most important bit of information that we wanted to provide you. But we have also given the link to the UGC circular in the description box. Please go and check it out, read it thoroughly. And if there are any other questions, please let us know in the comment section and we will be happy to answer all of those. Thank you. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, spread the right information, and please subscribe. Thank you.